Did you know earwax is actually a type of sweat? Most people think of earwax as nothing more than a nuisance, but did you know it's actually a type of sweat? That's right. This waxy substance, scientifically known as cerumen, is produced by specialized sweat glands and plays a crucial role in maintaining ear health. Nestled within the ear canal, the ceruminous glands are hard at work, secreting a sticky concoction of dead skin cells, hair, and glandular emissions. Unlike the sweat we're familiar with, this substance doesn't just cool us down, it's a frontline defender for our ears. Earwax is a multitasker. It keeps the ear canal moist, preventing dry, itchy skin. Acting like a fly trap, it captures dust, dirt, and other particles, safeguarding the eardrum from potential harm. Moreover, its slightly acidic nature is a bane for bacteria and fungi, keeping infections at bay. Our ears are self-reliant. They don't typically need our help to stay clean. The simple acts of talking and chewing set off a conveyor belt that gently escorts old earwax out of the canal. Once it reaches the opening, it dries up and flakes away. No cotton swabs are required. While earwax is usually self-managed, there are times when it might need a helping hand. If you're experiencing an unusual buildup or blockage, it's best to let healthcare professionals take the lead. But kaonimas, they can safely remove excess earwax without risking impaction or damage to the ear. In conclusion, earwax is far more than just an icky substance. It's a protective, self-cleaning, and moisturizing agent that plays a vital role in our auditory health. So next time you think about reaching for a cotton swab, remember the incredible functions of this unsung hero in your ears.
Step into the realm of Roy's Academy, your portal to a universe brimming with knowledge and innovation. Here, every lesson is an adventure. Every course a treasure trove of wisdom waiting to be unlocked. Embark on a comprehensive educational journey with our meticulously crafted courses. Delve into the core subjects of math, science, English, social studies, and computer science, tailored for students from classes 1 to 10, following CBSE and ICSE curriculums. Dive into Olympiad courses across a spectrum of disciplines and prepare for IIT NEET Foundation with focused classes from 6 to 10, beckons Roy's Academy. Elevate your intellect with our brain development program, featuring Vedic and shortcut math, IQ booster, knowledge enhancer, and English concepts builder. Or polish your spoken English skills with comprehensive training in grammar, vocabulary, and more, all designed to foster fluency and confidence. Your quest for enlightenment is just a click or call away. Connect with Roy's Academy via WhatsApp at +91 8910 890311. Ring us up at +91 8910 600503 or download our interactive Android app Roy's Academy from Google Play Store. Explore infinite possibilities on our website https://roysacademy.com and join us on this odyssey where knowledge meets innovation. Roy's Academy, your complete e-learning solution.
Thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please subscribe our channel. For more videos, please press bell icon for instant notification.